What's up guys, this is Len and welcome to the channel. First of all, I just like to say thank you very much guys for watching, commenting, liking, and not forgetting those who subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate that guys. So if you don't know, on this channel guys, I'm talking about Minoxidil, different types of Minoxidil, the experience that I have with Minoxidil. I am growing beard using Minoxidil. All this beard, man, is because of Minoxidil. So on this video guys, I'll be comparing two brands of Minoxidil. I'm gonna compare the Kirkland foam version and the Foligain foam version. Both of them are 5% and they are both foam version of Minoxidil. Now, before I talk about them though, I just want to mention this. It was very fun though. Last week I decided to dye my beard blonde or ginger. I don't know what color is that. You know guys, we don't know colors. So I dyed it and I posted on the Minoxidil Facebook groups. Tell you this man, so I wrote yay or nay. I received a lot of nays, like nays coming out from left to right. Everyone was not agreeing with that look. They were saying nay. Now I get it guys, I get it. I decided to dye it back. I wanted to shave it off, but I realized that I have worked so hard to get these gains, man. Why should I shave them off? So I dyed it black again. But what I really enjoyed at the comments, man, the comments were funny. A few of my favorite comments, they were going like this. I think one guy mentioned that a black man with ginger beard doesn't look good. It's like a white man with an afro. I was like, what? Come on. Then I went to internet just to check what is he talking about. I saw some cool guys with afro, white guys, and I also saw some other guys with afro, white guys. I think he meant the other one. And then another one was like, don't die and drink, or don't drink and die. That was funny, man. And after that one, there's some other dudes also said, is 100% sure that I was holding a bottle before I do this. I did give someone the bottle and say, hold on to this and let me take this picture. No guys, I was not drunk. I was just having fun, man, with my beard because it's festive, you know, and I'm not working, so I can do whatever I want with my beard. That was what I was going for. And then the last one, which was funny as well, he said, I'm trying to be a leprechaun or what? I never laughed like this, man. The comment was so funny. By the way, it was all fun and games, man. Thank you guys for commenting, and thank you guys for saying nay, man, because I look great with my black beard. So if you didn't see the picture that I'm talking about, man, you can go to Facebook on those groups, especially the Minoxidil groups. You will see that picture, man. You can also comment there and say whatever you think about it, but I'm no longer ginger anymore. So this video guys, it's about comparing the two brands of Minoxidil foam version. So I have been using the Foligain. I wanted to actually made a review about this foam, but the main reason I didn't make it is because it was the only foam version I ever used. So what is it that I was going to compare with? Now that I have the Kirkland, by the way, if you're in South Africa and you're looking for this, I made a video about where to find it, and also I'm going to leave the link of that website on the descriptions. Now, this two, I'm using this one at the moment, and this one is normal. I've been using this for the past 3 months, and I've been only applying it once a day. So it has its own perks and some drawbacks, but I feel like it has too much of DHT blockers, the Foligain brand. First of all, this is a 3-month supply. That is a good thing, meaning everything is in here. Now, and also the quality, man, the packaging and everything is awesome. But now the problem is the pump. When you press the pump there, you're supposed to have 2 pumps and then it shall give you a foam. You know what, when it arrived, I only used it 3 times and it was giving me foam. From there it was just liquid. Now I'm in Africa. This thing, I was putting it on the freezer so that it can give me foam. It never did. It never did, man. It never did. So I was using it as a liquid, by the way, because it never gave me foam. The pump, it was so bad. And then let's talk about the liquid itself. The liquid itself, there's a nice thing about it. When you apply it, it was great, and it also left your beard shining. It has some shining substance in there, and the bad thing about that, it was that it is sticky. So you can apply this one fine, and you won't need a moisturizer most of the time because it is shiny. But the thing is, it's so sticky, man. When you touch your face, you will feel the stickiness of the minoxidil. It dries quicker because it's a foam, so it dries so quick, man. So let's talk about foam Kirkland. Now, when I compare this to this, I think this one for me does it. I understand why a lot of guys use the Kirkland foam version. The reason why is because it foams up, man. I've been using it for a week. I have never had a problem with it coming up as a foam. So it always foams up, and when you apply it, man, it actually tingles on your cheek, meaning it does work. I don't know whether it's the alcohol or it's the minoxidil in there, because I know whenever I was using the liquid version, it was actually tingling. So it is not as harsh as the liquid version of Kirkland, and it dries up very quickly. And I don't know yet because I've been using it for a week, but I am not having any side effect at the moment. No acne, no rash, no nothing. I'm just enjoying this one, and I went back to apply it twice a day. I feel like this one, it has a lot of effect as compared to the Foligain. I'm not saying the Foligain is not working, because I've been using it for 3 months and here I am, I still have the beard, but I feel like it's too slow, man. I feel like it's too slow, and again, I cannot really blame the Foligain. Why? Because I was applying it once a day, but this one I'm applying it twice a day, so I'm actually enjoying the Kirkland. Guys, if I have to choose between the two, I will choose the Kirkland. The main reason why I choose the Kirkland is because, and let me put the Foligain here, is because it's very easy to use this one, guys. It foams up very nicely when you foam it on your cap there, and also it does feel, you do feel it when you apply it, man. The tingleness and everything, you do feel it, and it dries quickly. Now, what I don't like about it though, you need to have a moisturizer, because when after applying it and wait for a few minutes, you will be dry, but it doesn't have that harshness. It's not that you don't get that dry, man. As long as you apply your beard oil, the dryness disappears. So yeah, man, I can't wait to finish my first bottle and see whether I will have the gains, because I feel like this one is more effective as compared to the Foligain. Thank you guys for watching. If you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe to the channel, and if you want this foam version of minoxidil, if you're in South Africa, you can go to the description link. I left the website where you can buy this. And also, guys, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Don't forget, minoxidil is the way.
Let me try.